How to edit Instagram story after posting. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit Instagram story after posting. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. I'm going to upload a story and then show you how to edit it. Now, to edit a story after you have posted, tap on these three dots. If you forgot to mention someone in this story and you want to mention them after you have uploaded the story, tap on Add Mentions. You can search here, select them and tap on Add. Tap here to change the story settings. Here you can select from which people you want to hide it. Here you can create a close friend group to share your story with specific people. You can choose who can respond to your story here, everyone, people you follow, or you can turn off replies. If you turn this option on, your story will be automatically saved to your phone's gallery. This feature allows you to save your stories in archive. Through this feature, you can disable or enable people to share your feed posts and IGTV videos on their stories. Through this feature, you can let other people share photos and videos from your story in a message. If you turn this feature on, your Instagram story will get automatically shared on your Facebook account. So these are some things you can edit after you have posted your story.